Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Work. With me, Dior Shaari. This is a product that I bought from Bath and Body Works. It's called Sparkly Real Pocket Back Holder. It's to hold your pocket hand gel from Bath and Body Works. And before we look into the product itself, let's look into the pictures and also details. So this is from the Indonesian Bath and Body Works. Okay. All right. Okay, let's look into the product itself. So it's like this. It's already been quite long that I bought, but I never had a chance to do the unboxing. So this is the only time that I have, and sorry if it's a bit, maybe not really looks like fresh from the shop. Okay. Right, and how does it goes? So just this is the pocket bag and gel. So just put inside here and snap it, pop, pop, like that. So it looks like this. Okay, all right. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.